Tux Paint is a paint program designed for children. It has many tools that help to make beautiful drawings. Starting a new drawing. In Tux Paint, to start a new drawing, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on New button from the toolbar. Step 2. You will get color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Step 3. Click on the down arrow button to see ready-made pictures and background. Step 4. Select the drawing by double-clicking on it. Step 5. The picture will appear on the canvas. Coloring the drawing. Once you have inserted a ready-made drawing in Tux Paint, you can fill colors in it. To color your drawing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the Magic tool in the Tools bar. Step 2. In the Selector bar, click on the down arrow button and select Fill Effect option. Step 3. Select any color from the Colors box. Click on the object where you want to fill the color. Drawing shapes. Tux Paint allows us to draw different shapes using Shapes tool. A shape can be rotated to any angle up to 360 degrees scale. Rotation is the unique feature of the Shapes tool. To draw shapes, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool in the Tools bar. Step 2. In the Selector bar, you will see various filled and unfilled shapes. Step 3. Select any shape and drag it on the canvas using the mouse. Step 4. Release the mouse button once you have completed the square. Step 5. The outline of the shape will be placed on the canvas with a rotation handle. You can rotate the shape as per your need. Stamp tool. In Tux Paint, there are small pictures which are used as stamps or stickers. These stickers are of different types like flowers, animals, fruits, vegetables, birds, etc. We use the stamp tool for pasting these pictures on the drawing area. Following steps will explain how to use this tool. Step 1. Select the new tool. Step 2. Now go to a blank page and make a double click. Step 3. Now select the Stamp tool. Step 4. Using the left and right arrow keys, the user can browse through the types of stamps available. Step 5. Click on a stamp which you wish to add. Step 6. As you move the mouse pointer to the drawing area, an outline of the selected stamp will appear. Step 7. Click once and this will paste the stamp. Step 8. The user can also paste the same stamp again by simply clicking on another part of the drawing area. Step 9. Click on any other tool to finish using stamps. Fact bit. Tux Paint has been translated in more than 85 languages and many Indians have actively participated in translating Tux Paint into various Indian languages like Tamil, Hindi, Gujarati, Telugu, etc. Eraser tool. This tool is used for erasing any mistake while drawing. By using the eraser tool, the unwanted parts and mistakes in drawing can be erased. It is very easy to use eraser tool. Step 1. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Step 2. Select the shape of the eraser from the sub-tool box. Step 3. Click and drag on the part of the image that you want to erase. Magic tool. For applying special effects to any picture, we use the Magic tool. Magic tool helps in making the picture look attractive. It is easy to use the Magic tool by following the given steps. Step 1. Choose the Magic tool. Step 2. You can go through the different effects by scrolling down. Step 3. Select the magic effect you wish to add. Step 4. Choose a color. Step 5. Click or drag on the drawing canvas and this will apply the selected tool. Smudge effect. Mixing of different colors to create beautiful effects is called smudge effect. Let us learn how to do so. Step 1. Draw 2 differently colored circles using the Shapes tool. Step 2. Now select the smudge effect from Magic tool to show how the spheres will look like if we join them from one end and form a new color. Creating a slideshow. An entire story can be created using the Tux Paint software. You need to follow the given steps for creating a story. Step 1. In Tux Paint, create different scenes. Step 2. Then save these files separately. Step 3. Select the Open tool. Step 4. Select the Slides button. Step 5. You can create the sequence for each file by numbering them. To do this, click on them. Step 6. Click on the Play button.